Okay, so even OnePlus 12 series has started receiving March update, and it do bring some useful changes. One change which was added on flagship devices have not been added on OnePlus 12 series and even OnePlus 13 series. We also noticed some performance issues after updating to the latest build. Along with that, I'll also show you an application which you can install it on your device running March update of OxygenOS 16, and that will give you slight liquid glass effect on the lock screen widgets and at few more places. So here I have my OnePlus 12. I personally did not receive an OTA update, so I have to manually install OxygenOS 16.0.5, which you can see here. The update size was 1.16 GB. If you take a look at the version, the actual version is 16.0.5.702 and it comes with March security patch update. If you guys are not able to get the OTA update via beta program, I'll provide the zip file in the description below, using which you can update your OnePlus 12 with the local install method. So this is the update file. I'll provide the direct link in the description below. But before moving ahead guys, if you guys find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. After installing this latest update, I did notice two issues here. I mean two bugs. So first of all, let me show you the screenshot of the first one. So this is the screen recording where you can see the files in the AI suggest was not loading. And this was the case until I removed the AI suggest widget from the home screen and re-added. Now it appears fine, which you can see here. So this was the first bug which I noticed, and the second bug is related to screen recording. So if I open the screen recording tab here, and if you see here towards the bottom side, start screen recording is not highlighted. I did clear the caches and everything, but nothing worked here. But if you tap on this text, recording do starts, but the only problem is this thing is not highlighted. If I show you here on my other device like OnePlus 15, tapping on screen recording, you can see start recording is properly highlighted, which is not the case here on OnePlus 12 after the latest update of OxygenOS 16.0.5. So this is another bug which I have noticed after installing this latest build. A short break TechieBee family. Have you ever been waiting for an ice in the freezer? I know that can be really frustrating, especially when you need it quickly. So today we have this Agaro ice maker. And the idea is simple. You get ice in minutes instead of waiting for hours. Setting it up is really easy. Just place it on the flat surface, avoid direct sunlight and leave some spaces around it so it can ventilate properly. One thing I personally make sure to do before starting, I drain any leftover water and refill it with the fresh drinking water. It just keeps things cleaner. You can pour water directly into the tank, or if you want it to be more convenient, you can connect 5-liter water tank and not worry about filling it again and again. Once that's done, turn it on and select the ice thickness from the control panel depending on what you need. You get different ice options depending on your use. Thin ice for quick cooling drinks, which gets ready in about 13 minutes. Medium ice for juices and shakes, which takes around 17 minutes. Thick ice if you want your drink to stay cold for longer, and that takes around 20 minutes. It produces a good amount of ice in one cycle, around 24 ice cubes at a time, which is enough for few glasses. And the cube size is solid, not tiny. You also don't have to keep checking it. It alerts you if the water is low or when the ice bucket is full. For maintenance, there's a full built-in cleaning function. Just hold the button and it takes care of the process. And if ice ever gets stuck, don't try to force it out. Just hold the power button and the machine will handle it. So if you regularly need ice at home, this is definitely a more convenient option than relying on freezer. Purchase links can be found in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. And there was one feature which was added on OnePlus 15, but when the same update was rolled out for OnePlus 15R, that feature got removed. And the same thing happened. Now I'm checking my OnePlus 15. That feature is not available here on my device. If you guys have seen a video of OnePlus 15, in that I did mention about that feature called Call to Lock, but that feature automatically got removed after a few days. I don't know what's happening, but OnePlus have removed that feature. Now talking about the performance part, let me show you guys the benchmark scores before and after updating the device. So using Geekbenchmark application on the latest build device code 2156 and multi-core scores were 6516. On the earlier build, single-core scores were 2201 and multi-core scores were 6537. With Antutu benchmark application, on this latest build scores are 17,56,000, but on the previous build scores were 18,71,000. And even with Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, the latest scores were 58.2%. I mean the stability scores. On the previous build, you can see stability scores were 60.3%. So as per the benchmark scores, this latest build seems to be having some performance issues. But we'll get to know once we start using the device as a primary phone. And we also have the latest update of Wallpaper and Styles APK, which is version 16.0.12. You can install this application and you will get some interesting changes in the home screen and lock screen settings. If you scroll down, tapping on more, under texture blur, you can see now we have a new option called Contour Glow. which says the home screen, lock screen, quick settings and other system interfaces will feature a richer, more refined edge lightning effect. So let me turn it off. Now if I turn it on, you'll be able to see the difference in the lightning effect of the edges. So let me show you once again, and you get kind of liquid glass design. Not exactly liquid glass design, but yes, slightly towards the liquid glass design. But guys, make sure you install this APK on devices running March update, because I've tested on the devices which I'm running March update. I'm not exactly sure about the previous builds. If you guys want to try it out, give it a try, but at your own risk. So once you enable, let me show you, this is how the widgets look on the lock screen, and there are slight improvements in the glow effect too. And guys, one more thing, let me know in the comment section below, because after I updated my OnePlus 15, I forgot to check the always on display section. There I'm seeing a new clock style. So if I go to always on display, can you see this classic clock style? I did not install any kind of APK, but after I received the update on OnePlus 12, I was checking the changes in the always on display and I noticed a new clock style being added. I personally haven't installed any kind of APK, but this doesn't appear on the lock screen. If you see towards the bottom side, it says this AOD is a part of global theme and cannot be edited. So if you guys also see this on your OnePlus 15, let me know in the comment section below, because I did check out on my OnePlus 12. Here we don't have that particular clock style under always on display, but I don't know why it's appearing here on my OnePlus 15. Now let's talk about the change logs. So here are the change logs what OnePlus have mentioned. First one is layer 2, multiple timer option being added in the clock application. So here if I open up the clock application and if I go to the timer section, if I start any of the timer, this is how the new timer appears. Towards the bottom side, you get another option to add more timer. And till now, I did not find any kind of limitations. You can add another timer. This is how they will look. And you'll also see an option like at what time it will ring. Towards the right hand side, tapping on edit, you can delete all the timers with one single click. And after that, they have also added the support of sharing data using content portal with a cloned application. So I've cloned the WhatsApp application. Now let's open up gallery, and if I long press on any of the photo, taking towards the bottom side, I'll accept the terms and conditions first. Now if I drag and drop, you'll see WhatsApp cloned application also appears towards the bottom side, where you can share the files using content portal. And finally, they have also added the motion cue feature, which can be found here in the accessibility settings. Towards the top side itself, you'll see basically it will help you reduce motion sickness if you're using your device while driving. If you see the description, it says dot moves forward or backward in response to vehicle acceleration and deceleration. And if you slide towards the right hand side, dots move left or right in response to vehicle turn. If you're the one with motion sickness, you can use this feature while driving. You'll see these dots around the corners, and depending on the vehicle movement, they will move on the screen, helping you reduce motion sickness. So guys, these are all the changes what you'll see with the latest update of OxygenOS 16.0.5 for your OnePlus 12 series. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.